Hello and welcome to my basic graphing calculator math tutorial. In this video, we're going to take our Casio FX9860G2 calculator and get into some basic graphing. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Let us work on this particular problem. Given the function defined by y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 5, do the following. A. Find the zeros. B. Find the vertex. And C. Sketch the graph. In order to find the solution, we're going to determine the values of A, B, and C. Our A is negative 2, B is 8, and C is negative 5. For letter A, we're going to find the zeros. Since our equation is not factorable, we're going to use the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then substitute the value for a, b, and c. So here's our solution. Our x sub 1 is 4 plus the square root of 6 all over 2, approximately 3.22, and x sub 2 is 4 minus the square root of 6 all over 2, approximate 0.78. So now let's try solving it using graphing calculator. The first thing to do is to turn on your calculator by pressing this power button. Then the main menu will pop up on your calculator screen. To find the zero, we need to select the equation icon by pressing this button, then execute, or you can just simply press alpha to A button. Then this will pop up in your calculator screen. Since our equation is a polynomial, we need to select polynomial, so we need to press F2. And since our equation is a quadratic, we need to select degree 2, so it is aligned in F1, so we need to press F1. In this part, all you have to do is to input the values for A, B, and C. Our A is negative 2, then execute. Our B is 8, so we need to press 8, execute. And our C is negative 5, so we need to press negative 5, then execute. To find the zeros, we're going to press F1 to solve. What's good about this calculator? It provides you an exact decimal and radical value. For x sub 1, the decimal value is 3.2247 and the radical value is 4 plus the square root of 6 all over 2. For x sub 2, the decimal value is 0.7752 and the radical value is 4 minus the square root of 6 all over 2. Based on the calculator, the answers in our manual solving are correct. For letter B, we're going to find the vertex. The vertex is located at the coordinate x and y, wherein x is equal to negative b over 2a and y is equal to 4ac minus b squared all over 4a. Then substitute the corresponding values of a, b, and c. Then manipulate. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Therefore, our vertex is located at the coordinate 2 and 3. For letter C, we're going to sketch the graph. This is the graph that I did manually. Here's the vertex and these are the zeros. Then I connect them smoothly. And now we have a parabola that opens downward. This time, we're going to verify our answer using graphing calculator. We need to go back to the main menu, select the graph icon using this button, then execute, or you can just simply press the number 5 button. In this part, all you have to do is to input the equation. Our equation is negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 5. Then execute. The next thing to do is to select the draw. To select the draw, we need to press F6. So here's the form of our graph. To find the vertex, we need to press F5. And since we have a parabola that opens downward, we don't have minimum point, but we have maximum point. And the vertex is located at the maximum point. To get the maximum point, we need to press F2. So here's our vertex. At this point, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. In here, we can also find the zeros. To find the zeros, we need to press F5, then select root by pressing F1. So here's our zeros. Our first zero is this one, which is equivalent to 4 minus the square root of 6 all over 2, and the other zero is this one, which is equivalent to 4 plus the square root of 6 all over 2. And now we verified that our manual solving is correct. And that's how we use graphing calculator in solving quadratic function. Thank you for watching. God bless.